Good morning. So I'm creating craft number one, and this is it's a band or string along or key ring, any one of those things you want to make with it, what you're making it with wool. So what we need is a piece of cardboard that we cut in a circle. You can decide on the size of your circle. If you notice, mine is just like about 4 inches in diameter, and you want to cut 8 lines around, just like about a cm in. You're cutting in up to here, 8 of those equal parts around. So you could cut across here, cut across here, cut across there, cut across there. You put it opposite each other. And then when you're finished, you want to take your scissors and bore a hole into the cardboard in which you're going to make it like wide enough that your small finger could probably pass a little through it from the tip. Now, what else do you need? You would need the wool that you want to put to plait in here. Now, what you are going to do is select the length. I'm just using a length of about 18 inches because I need some extras to tie and I need the others to weave. And so we begin. First, this is going to be inserted into the hole here, and a knot will be placed at the back of there to secure this tightly as we weave it. So this is the back of it with a knot on it. Now what I'm going to do is turn it over, and these are 7 strands because you're using 7 of the spaces in which the wool will be placed into each of them, leaving 1 space unused. That will allow for rotation of each strand. So this is how it is when you put it in. Now you have the one that's vacant. Now what you want to do is count 3. 1, 2, 3. This one here, this third one here, is the one that you're going to take out. And when you take it out, you're going to put it into this one here, like this. Now when you do that, you now have that space available that was there. Now you're counting again 1, 2, 3. And that third one, again, you put over here. This space will be available. You count again 1, 2, 3. You take out the third one, you put it into that space, and so on. You keep doing that until you have used up almost, you have just like about a finger length of rope left back, of cords left back, and that's when you stop. So let's weave through and see how it goes. So as I said, we're going to go every 3. This one is available. 1, 2, 3. We go back again and we keep weaving in that angle every 3. We're going to take it, and that would fill up the space that would be opened by each. Now once you have done that, you will notice that the bottom there already starts to take a pattern. You'll do this out until you have just like about a finger length of piece left back for us to knot it and close it off. Okay? If you notice, so far we have already have a good length of it, and this is what it looks like when it is weaved. This is what it looks like. So we continue to weave, and when you're finished, you knot it off to close it. You can easily tie off the ends. Take two strands at a time and tie them off and close it nice and neat, so you don't have to see this big bulky knot, but rather a neat finish. And you leave the ends open so that it could look like a design when it is used. Whether for whatever purpose. It's a multi-purpose band. It can be used as a key ring, it can be used as a handband, it can be used as a hair accessory. It's all up to you as to what you want to do with it. So this is where we stop the video, but you can continue as you weave out. It shouldn't take you, well, based on the time I have here, it shouldn't take you more than half an hour to complete pulling through yours.